Recently, many Chainlink tokens have been transferred into exchange wallets, according to OliCharts, the pseudonymous crypto analyst on X, formerly Twitter. The analyst post claimed that the value of Link that was sent to these exchanges was worth over $326 million. Because operation Chainlink experienced a huge spike in on-chain activity, nearly $52.3 million Link were transferred to no hashtag crypto exchange wallets worth over $326 million. Release starts September 17th, 2023. Typically, a hike in exchange inflows implies possible sell-offs by participants. Interestingly, AMB Crypto reported likely selling pressure for Link since more tokens were released into circulation. However, the token has been able to stand the test of the decline, gaining by 10.37% in the last 7 days. Over the last 24 hours, Link has been able to hold strong to the 660 cents region. Furthermore, the rise in exchange inflows laid the grounds for Chainlink's spike and network activity on 15th September. A hike in on-chain activity like this suggests an increasing user base, utility of the token, and a potential hike in the value of the asset. But what does the market think of Link at its press time? And to evaluate this perception, the weighted sentiment comes into play. And as for the chart shared below, Link's weighted sentiment has jumped into the positive zone since the 19th of August. Usually this metric spikes when the social volume of an asset is really high, and most of the messages around it are positive. And conversely, a negative weighted sentiment means that a large part of the market is discouraged about the price action of an asset. Thus, Link's weighted sentiment at 0.219 implies that many market participants are optimistic about the short-term price action. This optimism was also reinforced by social dominance, which rose to 0.931%. As a measure of the discussions in the market compared with other cryptocurrencies, the hike in social dominance means Link has a considerable level of hype. Moments after Ali's post, analyst Michala van de Papo opined that Link at 660 is an opportunity of a lifetime. Papo, who's been a staunch advocate of the Chainlink project, mentioned that the retest of the 6th level means market participants have a chance to accumulate before the token goes parabolic, and Chainlink is moving up to 6 cents after an amazing retest of the range low at $6. It's still an opportunity of a lifetime. Michala van de Papo, September 18th, 2023, and perhaps it could be necessary to check how valid Papa's opinion is using on-chain data. One metric to help evaluate this is the network value to transaction signal. Created by Willy Woo in 2018, the NVT signal uses the 90-day moving average alongside the daily transaction volume to identify when a cryptocurrency is expensive or cheap. An NVT signal over 150 means the asset is overbought and possibly overvalued. But when it's 45 or below, it means the asset in question is oversold and largely undervalued. Values between 45 and 150 could be termed as fair values. At press time, Chainlink's NVT signal was 48.82, meaning the token is now at a fair value, if not undervalued. Therefore, the conclusion arrived at from the metric analyzed above means that those who buy Link at the $6 region, they have cause to celebrate in the future. However, there is a possibility that the token may fall from its press time price before any major uptick.